Good morning guys. So today is June 2 and it's a Sunday and today is Barrio Fiesta in Durbin Day. So we're gonna be going there today. Kaka-attend lang namin ng Mass at 9 a.m. in St. Mary's and now we're booking an Uber going to the Barrio Fiesta. So nandito pa tayo sa Durbin. Maganda ang weather today. Yun, sobrang araw. So yeah, we're just waiting and hope you will enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and put a comment in the comment section and follow me on the other socials at Pao Catalan. Okay. Excited na akong kumain guys. Barrio Fiesta. So ayan, we just finished registrating. So ang registration is £3. And I also got the one. Nasaan ba yung aking ano? Ang aking, yun. Ito, this one. And a raffle ticket for £1. So, pwede na rin. Parang attempt lang. Malay mo. We'll just see. So, binigyan nila ako ng yellow. And this is the Derby Rugby Football Club. So, dito ang venue. Maganda ang panahon, guys. So, hinihintay ko pa sila. Pero gutom na ako. So may pa LBC and nga malaki yung venue, no? So pwede magtayo ng tent, may mga nagtayo ng tent. Ready sila for the whole day. And then I think lahat ng mga sponsors and the rest is food down there. Ayan, ready na tayo. Ayan, tagal nila. Bigyan ko yung mga food. Ayan. May pa LBC and then food. Let's look for more food. Correct. Ito din, no? Ano rin to? Delivery. SMDC. Wow, umabot ang SMDC dito. Ay. Itlog na maalat. Ayan. So may itlog na maalat. Ayan, may mga fruit juice. Balot. Ayan. Parang gusto kong bumili ng itlog na maalat. Ay, may yakisoba. Nick, nagugustuhan mo to. Okay, wait. Ayan, maraming mga food. We're still checking more of the food. Ay, pwede siyang take out, fish. Saya. Check. Ay, ito yung mga kakanin. Yeah, I'm waiting for this one. Ay, sorry, ito eh. Gusto ko to. Yan. And then, bubble tea. Just checking other food bago tayo mamili. Ah, may grocery dito. Ayan, ito may grocery. Have more grocery. Mag-restock tayo later. Ah, may paginto. Ah, may paginto tayo. Soft drinks. Ah, nice. Ayun, ang mura lang cool drinks. And salad master. Okay. Pero parang decided na ako doon ako bibili. Ang sana yung mga coffee. Yeah. Hindi na tayo guys. Nagugutom na ako. Ayun ang grocery oh. Wala na masyado doon. More on dito. Alam mo, may okay doon. Kasi may upuan. Diyan, oh. Bili na kami.
Ano ilang meal? Sorry, nagtinda ng payment.
Ay! Ah! Rice, pansit, kudereta, sisig, chicken, barbecue chicken, paksiw, leche paksiw, dinuguan, and pork belly and barbecue pork. So, I bought dinuguan, lechon paksiw, and 2 barbecues. So, that's 15 pounds. Okay, kain na tayo, guys. Thank you po! Ayan. Lang. So, meron ng grocery tent. Yeah. So, may mga drinks, fruits, go choose. Sorry, this wasn't true. Yeah. Chocolates, snacks, a lot of snacks, bread and everything. May gisingit mami. Yeah. A lot of snacks. Yan, coconut. Mga chips ako eh. Ang dami food. Then mga korpang nito. Ayan. Very nice. So, nabudol ako ng 15 pounds. So, yeah. Tamang restock lang tayo guys. Yan.
Saka kalderetang kape.
Hello, say hi.
Mga matapon po. Gusto niyo po balikan na lang?
Ayan yung mga kanila kilo. May pwesto din sila dito sa Barrio Fiesta.
Ganito na lang.
And busy si kuya mo. Work hard, friend. So, nag-uubos na lang kami ng oras lakad-lakad. Masyadong maaraw. Oo, lakad-lakad, mababa yung kain na natin. Bakit pa kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap na wag ka nang lumihis. Nasaan yung mga friends natin? Ayusin natin to. Ayun. Ayan, para nakita ko na yung isa kong kakilala. Hoy, Christy! Kanina pa ako nagchat-chatsan kayo. Sorry. Hello. Pila-pil mo yung pag-upo mo dyan. Hello. Hi guys, I forgot to end my vlog last time, yung Barrio Fiesta. So, I'm gonna vlog today before I start another vlog. Ano ba yan? Medyo nakakalimot na tayo. Kasi after nung nangyari lahat, nagpa-araw kami, sobrang babad talaga kami. Ilang oras kami nagpababad dun. It's 21 degrees, kaya iba talaga yung feeling yung namula dito ko. So, para kaming nagsa-sunbathing talaga. Kulang na lang dagat. Pero, sobrang saya namin kasi grabe yung vitamin D. Sobrang nakaka-happy. Well, anyways, we're so happy na ginawa namin yung Barrio Fiesta. Pumunta kami, nag-enjoy kami, doon magastos, budol talaga. Pero it's really a fun day. And I'm so happy na nasama ko kayo sa experience na yun, guys. So, I'm gonna be ending this vlog and hope you enjoy. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and put a comment down below. And follow me on my other socials at Pao Catalan. Okay, guys, thank you so much. And have a nice day. So I'm gonna start a new vlog. See you, London. Bye.